Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price is moving. Okay, as move for the 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this chart, we have seen that the crude price already made a high, and now after making a, because I have already told you that whenever from 67 I'm telling you that the crude price can touch a level of 77 in just 1 or 2 months. Okay, and if you look at my previous video, you will know that it has, I'm telling you to buy at around 68 to and keep buying at that level. And if you are a trader, you would have known, and if you have already suggested investors that if you are looking for a longer view or positional trader, then I would always suggested a buy at that particular time. And I have already told you that once this level is touched, and because this level was only tested once, okay, so there were high chances that profit booking will come at that level, and profit booking has come at that level. And now the price of the crude has came down to around 70 point something. Okay, I'll show you. It has came to a level of 70.5, and from there it has bounced back to a level of 74. Okay, so you can see here that if the price of the crude sustain above 74, then we can see that it can touch a level of 75.32. okay, if it sustain above a level of 73.81, okay, or 73 point, okay, no, 74, if sustain above 74, then we can see that it can touch a level of 75.53. okay, once 75.53 is touched, then we can see, and if it stays above that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 76.18. and once this level is crossed, then we can see that it can touch a level of 76.83. and this level is already tested twice, so chances are very high that it can cross this level and can reach a level of 77.3 or 77.5. suppose if it goes below this level. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, please mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. And please watch the full video, then you would understand that how this is working. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. See, look at this chart. If it goes below a level of 74, then we can see that it can touch a level of 73.17 also. And this level is a crucial level, because if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 71.44 also. Okay, and this is a strong support at this level, 71.44. so once this level is break downside, then we can see that it can come to a level of 71, and once 71 will come, and then we can see a level of 69 also. But what I'm expecting in this, that a 70.8 is a very strong support at this level, and before that we can see 72 is a very strong support. Okay, and if it sustain above 74, we are on the bullish side as of now. But what I can see here is that a red candle is formed, so I think there can be a swing at this level. Okay, so swing at this level, so chances are there that if it sustain above 74, and if it crosses a level of 676, then I can be on the bullish side, and I'll be on the bullish side. Or if it sustain above a level of 75.53, then I can say that it can touch a level of 76.18, and then it can go further high. Okay, and can touch a level of 77.3 or 4 very soon. So hope you like the video, and if you have any doubt, you can mail me and comment me if you want something in details. So please, if you like the channel, please subscribe it, share it. Thank you.